for food. Thank you. You're welcome. I use this for food because this was nice. And it was stainless. Mm. It will not be broke because they have some hook, guys. They have hook. And also this here have hook. So, it was not just easily to be broke. And we have used here for open can. I don't know what is this, but it was still also still sharp. I think this one is for something that you need to cut. This one. What was the use of this? I think it is, oo nga pala, 6 ang account ko pero lahat yun nag-subscribe. Allah, grabe. Guys, maybe this is used for seeds. Like that. Okay, go ahead. But this one is good for here too. Sige, I think. Oh my God, it's good for here. Hi, lots of love from India. Vinaya Kurao. Hi, Vinaya Kurao, Sharif. Do subscribe. Did you do thumbs up, Victor? But you have only one name. So, hi, Rao. This is best Caesar, but it was hurt because it was, what do you call that? Stainless. Yeah, this is metal. It's metal. I love to use this one. Now it's okay. It's just only 25 pesos. First purchase in Lazada. If you do first purchase in Lazada, was only. Thank you. You're already subscribed. Okay, as long as you are not violating the protocol, okay, I'll make you. Okay, thank you. You're already subscribed. How are you, Victor? Now I need to get off. About my plants, guys, it was okay. You just want to look at my plants? You want me to show my plants, guys? My plant was ready now. It was bearing fruits. You just want to look at it? I have plants, the lemon. I have lemon. Okay, I need to show you guys. You just want to look at it? Okay guys, I need to show you. I will